Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So in today's video, I'll show you guys how to connect your OKX to your Pixel tab by Pixelverse Telegram mini bot. So as you can see right now, we're in our dashboard from the Telegram mini app. All you need to do right now is just to head over to here that says reward, and then click on reward, click on task, and you will see where it says connect your OKX wallet and get 30,000 coins, and this is going to enable us to unlock 2 million Pixel tab by Pixelverse coin. So all you have to do right now is just to go over to this place that says wallet. In my case, I connected my Bybit, but I'm going to connect my OKX right now. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and just click on this, and it's going to show us this. This is our Bybit. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and just click on where it says connect new wallet. But in your case, if you have no wallet connected, it's just going to bring you up to this connect wallet interface. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and just click on this one here, OKX. And as you can see from here, is that they're asking us, do we have an OKX account? If you don't have, check the link in the description to create one. I dropped the link there for you guys. Go ahead and click on yes, I have it. After creating the account, then they're asking you right now to write down your USDT ERC20 wallet address. So go into your OKX. This is our OKX application right now. So from the home page, when you log in, it's going to be on home page, but you have to go over to where it says asset, or click on deposit crypto just on the screen here. But if you don't see that, click on this one that says assets. Click on assets, click on deposits, then click on deposit crypto. So from there, go ahead and just search USDT. Select your network. They said we should use ERC20, so you make use of this one. Copy the address, and then go back to your Pixel tab by Pixelverse and just go ahead and paste in your address there. So once you paste in your address there, click on made it, and that automatically to connect your wallets. All right guys, so as you can see, connecting our OKX wallet right now, you can see where it says OKX wallet, your wallet is connected. So guys, this is the good news we want to all see after connecting our OKX wallets. I'm going to make more videos on how to connect every other exchanges into our Pixelverse Pixel tab. Click in the description, you will see our link to our Telegram channel where I talk about even more $0 airdrop that could profit you guys on the long run. All right, see you guys in the next one. Peace out.